My name's Luke Knight, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego jetpack and a flamethrower. First, you need a human. You take the human's head off and hair if he has hair. You need this. Put this on the human's on here like this. You put the human's head on. Then you put the hair on. Then you put this on these. Like this, so it looks like that. And then you have this, put this on here, so it looks like this. And then you put the fire over here, so it looks like this. And then you put this over this, like this. And then you put two of these on here and on here. That's the jetpack and how you put it on the human. You know what I showed you earlier? That. Put it like that on him. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you the flame sword. You use this. You have this. You put this on here. And then the other one on here like that, so it looks like that. Then you put fire, how I like it is with these, fire however you like it, on it like this. Done. And then you can put it on a human, keep it. I like to have the jetpack and the flame sword with this guy. Bye, I hope you liked my video and please subscribe.